the Pakistan Armed Forces shot down 5 Indian Air Force jets, a combat drone, and destroyed brigade headquarters, including a number of checkposts, after New Delhi carried out missile strikes in cities of Punjab and Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Delhi claimed it had fired missiles across the border into Pakistani terror camps in Kashmir just days after it blamed Islamabad for a deadly attack on the Indian side of the contested region. A little while ago, the Indian Armed Forces launched Operation Sindoor, hitting terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir from where terrorist attacks against India have been planned and directed, the Indian government said in a statement. In his press conference, Inter-Services Public Relations Director General of Pakistan Army Lieutenant Gen Ahmed Sharif Chaudhry confirmed that all Pakistan Air Force jets are safe after engaging Indian jets. The military's top spokesperson also added that among the destroyed Indian fighter jets are 3 French-made Rafales, 1 Su-30 Mki and 1 MiG-29 Fulcrum. India purchased Rafale jets from French manufacturer Dassault Aviation several years ago. The Pakistan Armed Forces also destroyed multiple enemy posts in several sectors along the line of control. Pakistan's Defense Minister Khawaja Muhammad Asif told AFP, "The retaliation has already started. We won't take long to settle the score."
देख करके एक लड़की को जुर्म का इंतकाल किया और उसको बेलगाम एम्बुलेंस से मंगवा लेना ज़्यादा बैठेगी नहीं इसमें ज़्यादा बंदे बैठेंगे एक भाई रहते हैं उधर बस ये नुकसान ये 9 नंबर ये मस्जिद तैयबा मरकज उमर करा के अंदर ये नुकसान है।
Israel's military said Tuesday it launched airstrikes against Iranian-backed Houthi rebels in Yemen that fully disabled the country's international airport in the capital, Sana'a. According to Associated Press, the strikes came after Israel launched similar attacks on Monday in retaliation for a Houthi missile strike the previous day on Israel's international airport. The Houthis' satellite news channel Al Masirah reported the strikes, confirming the airport had been hit. Several power plants were also struck, Israel's military said. Footage aired on Israeli television showed thick black plumes of smoke rising above the skyline of Sana'a. Social media video purported to show multiple strikes around Sana'a, with black smoke rising as the thumps of the blast echoed against the surrounding mountains. There was no immediate information on any casualties. The strike came shortly after the military issued a warning on social media for people to evacuate the area of Yemen's international airport.
يا اخي.
على مصنع سمنت عمران حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل على كل ظالم، على من أراد دمار البلاد. حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل، حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل. من أراد دمار البلاد هذا لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. دمروا مصنع سمنت عمران، لا إله إلا الله بس. يا قهر قلبي، يا قهر قلبي، يا قهر قلبي. حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل، حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل. يا رب أرنا فيهم عجائب قدرتك زي ما بيفعلوا بالبلاد هكذا على كل ظالم من داخل البلاد ومن خارج البلاد. مصنع سمنت عمران لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. إن الله ضربتي يا قهري على من مات. حسبي الله ونعم الوكيل.
يا الله يا الله يا الله. اهربوا 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 اهربوا. يا الله يا الله يا الله يا الله.
واشهد ان محمد رسول الله.
يا الله.
ان الموت حق والحياه باذن الله. اشهد ان لا اله
يا الله.
اشهد ان
يا الله.
اشهدوا يا رجال.
يا الله.
اشهد ان لا الموت حق.
منصور 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 باذن الله. الله يحمي، الله يستر، الله يستر، الله يستر، الله يستر، الله يستر. يا الله. هذه المحطة شكل محطة الكهرباء. محطة الكهرباء اللي في قدر. يا الله.
عندك اختار الزجاج حكي يا رجال.